Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best 2-in-1 exhaust for Harley Davidson on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Vance Hines 16763. The Vance Hines 16763 is an exhaust designed to give you the best sound, performance, and increased power. If you're looking for an exhaust that will make your Harley sound like a bagger and not a stock bike, then this is the one for you. The Vance Hines 16763 2-in-1 exhaust is made from stainless steel, which means it will last for years without any maintenance needed. The exhaust comes with everything you need to install it on your bike, including detailed instructions and all necessary hardware needed for installation. The Vance Hines 16763 2-in-1 exhaust is a perfect choice for riders who want to add some style and sound to their bike. This exhaust features a stainless steel head pipe, staggered dual mufflers, and all necessary hardware for easy installation. It's made from high-quality materials and is designed to fit most Harley models. Pros. Gives you a deep, throaty exhaust note. Easy to install. Durable and rust-free. Cons. It can be too loud for some. Number 2. Our second best pick is Cobra Neighbor Haters Chrome. The Cobra Neighbor Haters Chrome 2-in-1 Harley Bagger exhaust is the perfect solution to your style and power needs. This exhaust is designed to give you the performance you want without sacrificing the sound you need. This exhaust is available in different finishes, so you can choose one that matches your style perfectly. The exhaust features an aggressive tone that will turn heads as you ride by. The Cobra Neighbor Haters Chrome 2-in-1 Harley Bagger exhaust is the perfect solution to your style and power needs. This 2-in-1 exhaust is made of stainless steel, which will last you through many years of riding and road trips. The fit is tight and precise, so you'll be able to hit the road without worrying about your exhaust being damaged. It also has an adjustable baffle that allows you to adjust the sound level as needed. If you're looking for something that's loud but not too loud, then this exhaust is a great choice. The Cobra Neighbor Haters Chrome 2-in-1 exhaust is designed to give your bike the sound it deserves. The exhaust uses a 2-in-1 design that creates an aggressive tone that will be attention-worthy. The pipes are constructed from stainless steel, which means they won't rust or corrode over time. This also means they'll last longer than other exhaust systems on the market today. Pros. Deep sound. It is made of stainless steel, so it won't rust like other aluminum pipes. Cons. The price tag can seem steep for some. Number 3. Our third best pick is SHARKROAD 2-in-1 exhaust. The SHARKROAD 2-in-1 exhaust is a great addition to your bike. It has a polished finish that looks great on any bike and is designed to work with all Harley baggers. This exhaust will give you the performance you need for your bike, allowing you to have more power when needed. This exhaust comes with everything you need to install it on your bike. It has an installation guide and all the hardware necessary for installation. No additional tools are required for installation. This exhaust has a heavy-duty, all-welded design that's made to last. It features stainless steel pipes, a heat shield, and a removable baffle, making it easy to clean and maintain. The SHARKROAD 2-in-1 exhaust for Harley baggers is a great way to upgrade your bike. This exhaust system is made from steel and features an aluminum heat shield. The exhaust also comes with a removable baffle system that allows you to customize the sound level of your bike. This is the perfect upgrade for your bike. It's designed to make your engine sound better, and it also gives you a smoother ride. Pros. Improved exhaust noise. Balances the weight of the bike. Increases horsepower. Stainless steel construction looks great and lasts longer. Cons. Price can be expensive for some people. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Handmo 2-in-1 exhaust. The Handmo 2-in-1 exhaust is engineered to enhance the performance of your Harley. It's made of high-quality stainless steel. This exhaust system features a low-restriction design that improves torque and horsepower while reducing weight. The Handmo 2-in-1 exhaust also has an oval muffler tip for a deep, rich sound that's sure to turn heads. The Handmo 2-in-1 exhaust system is designed specifically for Harley Davidson touring bikes from 1995 to 2016. The Handmo 2-in-1 exhaust is a performance exhaust system that features a custom-designed, high-flow catalytic converter and a muffler tip. This exhaust system is designed to give you more power and torque while maintaining a clean look. It also comes with a removable baffle, which means you can choose between aggressive sound or quiet cruising. The Handmo 2-in-1 exhaust is perfect for Harley touring models from 1995 to 2016. Pros: the sound is amazing. Installation is easy. Made of stainless steel. Cons: may seem expensive to some. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Bassani Manufacturing Road Rage 3 exhaust. The Bassani Road Rage exhaust system is a great choice for a custom look with no performance loss. The Road Rage features 2-inch primary tubes, which are mandrel bent to provide smooth flow and excellent power. The Road Rage has the same high-quality components as previous Bassani models but with shorter primary tubes. The result is a deep growl that will turn heads wherever you go. This exhaust comes with full stainless steel construction and is finished in chrome. It's designed to fit Harley Davidson touring bikes equipped with forward controls. The Bassani Road Rage 3, 2-in-1 exhaust is ideal for those who want to hear their bike roar as they ride down the road. This exhaust is made with stainless steel, so it will last you for years to come. It also features dual/cut short megaphone tips that give it a classic look and sound. Pros: stainless steel construction. It has a short megaphone, which makes the sound louder and more distinct. Cons: there are no instructions included with this product, so you'll have to figure out how to install it on your own. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.